Is Tomasaburo really gone from every shop, I wonder? Anyway, I'll try combing the area. Wow, there's really none anywhere.
Hey, boy! Don't tell me you're looking for Tomasaburo, too! If you are, give it up! I've already been to every sweet shop in town and didn't find any.
For real? Then where can I go to buy it?
Wouldn't I like to know? Oh, Tomasaburo.
Guess I'll just have to try looking in a different town. It'll be faster asking someone than just searching on my own. I'll try asking that person. Say, excuse me! Hey, is there a place that sells Tomasaburo?
You can't buy anything like Tomasaburo anywhere now. I hear the maker isn't making them at all.
What? You mean the Tama's all gone because the maker's gotten lazy? Hey, miss, where is the maker anyway?
The Tomasaburo maker? I think he lives in Southtown.
Really? Okay, thanks. So this is where the Tamasaburo Maker lives. Hey! Mr. Maker Guy, come out!
Who's there? What's all the ruckus?
Oh, so you're the Tamasaburo Maker. Why did you stop, huh? Why did you stop?
I should have known it'd be that. You're barking up the wrong tree. How am I supposed to make it without ingredients?
You can't get the ingredients. Why not?
A mountain where I collect them has become a haven for ruffians. Never mind gathering ingredients. They extort money just to visit the mountain. I'm not about to turn over my hard-earned money to those crooks.
I see. So that explains it. All right, just let me chase them off for you.
Hold it! Count me in too!
Choji, what are you doing here?
I'm a huge fan of Tamasaburo, actually. I've taken the loss personally, so I started my own search. Then I heard you and the candy maker talking.
All right, then we'll both go kick the bad guys' butts.
I'll show them what happens when they mess with food! The Tamasaburo ingredient called honeydew grows up ahead.
That's right. And this is our territory. Hey, boys. If you want to pass through here, you've got to pay a toll.
Aha! So you're the jerks the candy maker was talking about. Sure, we'll pay your toll, no problem.
You want it in punches? Or do you want it in kicks?
What did you say? You little punks think you can mess with adults? Not bad, you little brats. I don't think you won.
They're getting away!
Let's go after them quick, Naruto!
Right!
Where did they go? Boy, I'm tired. I'm too hungry to walk anymore. Let's forget them and look for the honeydew plant first.
Well, the mission is to get the Tamasaburo back. Huh? Get up, Choji, they're back! And they brought company!
Leave it to me! Human boulder!
Leave it to me! Portal expression jutsu! Element boulder! What's this flower? You don't suppose?
Oh, the honeydew plant!
Aha! I knew it! Yeah! But is this all there is?
They tore up this whole area, so I don't think any new plants will grow for a while.
Those big jerks! They're gonna have to answer to me! I swear I'll chase them off this time, no matter what!
That won't be a problem.
There you are! I'm taking you down for sure this time!
Oh, wait! We're pulling out of here. We're sick of dealing with you two. See ya!
Hey, wait! Come back here, you cowards!
That's enough, Naruto. I'm sure they won't be back. More importantly, we need the Tamasaburo made quick!
Man, all you ever think about is food!
Huh? It's honeydew plant. Where'd you two get this?
We took care of your mountain bandits problem!
Really? Thank you. Now I can get back to work. All right, it's time to make some prime quality Tamasaburo. Here you go, the final product.
Oh, so this is the Tamasaburo everyone's going on about.
I only had enough ingredients for one. Sorry.
One is all we need. Thanks, old man. Okay, now we just gotta take this back to the village. Let's go, Choji.
It's the real thing. Freshly made Tamasaburo.
Hey, Choji, you there?
What? Oh, Naruto.
What are you spacing out for? We gotta get back! Piece of cake!
Tamashiburo. Naruto, hold on a minute. Let me carry the Tamashiburo.
Nah, it's okay. It's part of my mission to carry this back. Besides, if I gave it to you, you'd probably eat it.
Just hand it over. Did you not hear me, Naruto? Hand it over!
Whoa, hey! Settle down, Choji!
That Tamashiburo is mine! Give it to me!
Oh, man! He snapped! Piece of cake!
Oh, Tamashiburo.
Sorry, Choji. You'll get to eat your fill soon enough, so just hold on.
Chubby's roll!
You there, kid. That's a lot of goods. Leave him and run along before you get hurt.
Out of my way, or you're the one who's gonna get hurt!
You impudent squirt. I'll teach you to talk back to your elders.
Keep it!
This kid's strong.
Never underestimate a leaf ninja. I'm not losing to you, punks.
Just you wait. We'll teach you.
Ha, sorry, but I can't wait around that long. Oh, rats! The goods!
So you're here, Naruto. To think the day would come when you'd be sensei.
Hey, are you making fun of me too, Iruka-sensei?
Okay, sorry. Let me explain the class. Today's class is a special exercise. You know how it works, right? The object is to find all the hidden charms and bring them back here. This exercise is supposed to be conducted in teacher-student pairs. But since your teachers are all out on missions of their own, we're asking you guys to fill in as sensei temporarily. Oh, yeah. I've also asked Neji to help. I'm counting on you.
Neji's a sensei too? I refuse to lose! Okay, so who's the student that's gonna pair up with me?
Don't be so impatient. He'll be here soon. Oh, here he is.
Aruka-sensei! Which Gideon got assigned to be my sensei?
Oh, so my student is Konohamaru, huh?
All right! Naruto's my sensei?
Mm-hmm. You got it, Konohamaru.
I'm as good as past already!
Ha! Believe it! I'm an old hand at this exercise. I've done it 3 times.
That's awesome! Hey, wait a minute. That's only because you had so much trouble passing it, right?
Anyway, I know this exercise like the back of my hand. So leave it all to me.
Ooh, I like his confidence!
Oh, that's right. Everyone who completes the exercise will receive a special reward. So do your best.
Reward? Whoa! That gives me even more incentive.
Are you two ready to set out?
Oh yeah! We're good to go at any time.
I'm ready too!
Okay, then begin the exercise. Be careful.
All right! Let's do it, Konohamaru!
Right!
Naruto, eh?
Oh, Neji!
I can't see you as sensei. Must be a real shortage of manpower.
So, have you collected all the charms?
Yes, I finished just now. I see you have too.
Just finished? Oh, guess your Byakugan's nothing special then.
What did you say?
I mean, not that different from ordinary eyes like mine.
Naruto.
You little. I've ignored your other taunts, but that's too much.
Let's see who gets to the goal first. No way we lose to you guys. Come on, Neji. Let's see who can get to the goal first.
Very well. If you insist, I can't refuse.
Let's go, Konohamaru.
Right.
We must not lose to him. We must hurry.
Oh, right.
Hey, wait, Naruto. Don't tell me you're just going to leave your student behind.
Oh, you're right. Konohamaru's not here.
I figured you hadn't noticed.
Yeah, well, you might have said something earlier.
I thought it might be easier without the students around.
What do you mean?
Naruto, get ready.
Huh? What? What are you gonna do, Neji?
You've gotten stronger. More so than back when you beat me. But I'm no longer the same as I once was either. Isn't it a good opportunity?
I see. That's what you mean. Got it. Yeah. Why don't we try and find out how far we've come? I should warn you, I'm not going to hold back.
Of course. If you did, what'd be the point?
Bring it, Neji.
You've gotten even stronger. It hurts to say it, but you totally won.
No, you're brilliant, sure enough. I only just barely won.
Neji-sensei! Oh! No, Naruto!
You finally caught up. I've been waiting.
What were you doing?
Training, training, training. Right, Neji?
Yeah, that's right.
See? Okay, let's go. Come on, Konohamaru.
Wait for me!
Yes! Yes!
Go!
Finally, I actually finished this exercise!
This was your first time?
No, never mind.
Good job, you guys. Very well, you passed. You successfully completed the exercise.
Yeah!
Excellent, Naruto! I mean, Naruto-sensei?
Okay, I'll give you the promised reward. Good work, you two.
Oh, can I help you? Thank you for your business.
Go!